So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on a Chromebook. In Google terms, this is also called a power wash. Now, two quick things. First thing is, make sure that you have got your Chromebook plugged into mains power when you do this. Also, all the data is going to be erased from the Chromebook, so if you've got any important files such as pictures and audio or anything like that, make sure that you have backed them off first, either to an external drive or to a cloud account. So the first thing that we need to do is go to settings. Now, you might have settings somewhere on the taskbar at the bottom here. If not, just go to the bottom right hand side where you can see the time and then click on the time. Now, this will open up a sub menu, as we can see here. Go to the top of this sub menu and we will see a cog, which if you hover over it will say settings. Now tap on that. Now once the settings is open, what we need to do is come to the left, scroll all the way down the left here until we get to advanced, and then tap on advanced. And then once advanced is opened up, scroll further down under advanced and then we will see reset settings. So tap on reset settings and then we will see the page that says reset settings and it will say power wash. Now click on reset here and then we are going to get a message which says restart your device. A restart is required before your device can be reset with power wash. So just tap on reset and then your Chromebook will then switch off and then power itself back on again. And after the Chromebook has powered itself off and on, you will get to this page which says reset this Chromebook. So what we need to do is come down here to the bottom right where it says power wash and click on power wash. Now what it's going to say here is confirm power wash. Your device will be reset and all user accounts and local data will be removed. This cannot be undone. So basically, yes, it is going to delete everything. It will delete your Google account from this particular Chromebook, but it does not delete your Google account from anywhere else, such as other Google devices or Android devices or even your Google Cloud account. So don't worry about this. Your Google account doesn't get deleted except for off this Chromebook. So what we're going to do now is tap on continue and then your Chromebook will power itself off a couple of times. This will happen quite quickly depending upon your Chromebook, and then eventually you will come to this screen which says welcome to your Chromebook. At this point your Chromebook has been completely reset and all the data has been wiped out. So in effect right now this is going to look like a brand new Chromebook. And if you are interested in Chromebooks, I have a number of other videos about Chromebooks and Android devices, so check out my channel and playlist. Also, there will be links to Chromebooks on Amazon in the video description below, and if you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and getting all over that bell notification icon. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.